up! Make the world your conference room with Vidyo. Let's step inside one of their conference rooms here at InfoComm 2014.
You're watching YBL TV.
Mark, how is the Video Room Software Edition different than the HD40?
So that's a great question, Erica. So we have a number of appliances that we end up shipping. It ends up being our software running on general purpose hardware that we've done the integration on, so that we ship it as an appliance and the user just plugs it in and hits the button and goes. Has use in many situations. The software edition ends up being a soft client that's installable on the customer's own hardware, which brings a whole different value proposition. One, it changes the economics, so that if you're, for example, shipping into countries where there's very heavy importation taxes on the hardware itself, you can eliminate that cost and provide a very cost-effective room solution. Also, by running on the customer's own hardware, they already have procurement processes in place. They have security policies in place around desktop computing devices. They have ways of deploying them and maintaining them and all that. They get to use all that same process that they've already got in place now for their room deployments. It doesn't have to be something special that's treated differently. They use the same hardware platforms, so it gives them a lot of flexibility.
How is this different than the desktop client?
So that's a great question. So they're both software that gets installed on general purpose hardware that the customer has, but the Video Room Software Edition has features that are specific to room system environments. Things like the ability to control the pan, tilt, zoom camera from the far end. So somebody who's coming in remotely is able to control the eyes in the room, if you will. The ability to be controlled by what we call a 10-foot user interface, a remote control. And whether that's an application running on a tablet or a plastic remote or integration with an AMX or Crestron, that sort of thing, that capability is there so you can do the remote control. The ability to take the content and automatically place it on a second screen if you have a two-screen deployment. These are all things that you expect to have in a room system that is there in the Video Room Software Edition that are not there in our video desktop client.